What's going on, everybody? It's Awesome Gaming here, back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit and make YouTube videos using ShareFactory on the PS4. So when you first hop into ShareFactory, you're going to see videos, photos, animated GIFs, social, and import content. So you want to go to videos and then new project. Then you get to choose the theme of your project, and you can get new themes using the PlayStation Store. So let's just do Fortnite, and then if you don't want these little intro and outro things, then you just unclick them, and then you can go to by selected or by category, and then you can choose this category. You can go by game, and then you can go by alphabetical, and you can go by most recent. So I normally do most recent. So then we can just choose, let's just choose this clip, and then you click start project. But to choose something, what you just do is you just click the X button. So we choose that, and then we click start project. You can rename the project whatever you want. So let's just do YouTube, and then already came up there. So then we can do continue, and then it'll load in. So there will be all of this stuff. So let me just, and then if you want to go to the end of it, you click R1. That'll take you to the end of whatever section that you're in. And then if you click L1, that'll take you to the other section. Then if you click X, if you look down in the bottom left, it has a plus sign. So that is how you add clips, add screenshots, add a track, add music, add layouts, add a filter, and add an overlay, or to the right, add a transition. So now click square. This will pop up with time bender. So what time bender does, you can fast forward clips. So then you can do by step, which makes it a little choppy, or you can make it smooth. And you can slow it down, you can speed it up. So that's what that does. Then there's split clip. This is the one that you're going to use most often. So then what you want to do, you just click play, and then it'll just play the clip. When you want to split the clip, then you just click the X, and then you do confirm. So now what that did is that split it. So now if we want, we can delete this other one, this other part of it, by clicking the square button, and then can delete, clip, confirm. So now we just have this other part. So now if you click circle, you can go out of it, then trim clip. This is how you shorten different parts of it. So the start and the end, you're not going to use that one as much. And then we got move clip. So let's say I split the clip. I can now move this clip to the end by clicking R1 or L1, to the end or to the beginning. So we also have delete clip and clone clip. Clone clip does exactly what it says. It clones the exact same thing. So we don't want that. So we can click the delete clip. So we also have pan and zoom. Pan and zoom is pretty helpful. So if you want to zoom in on something like a chest, or your inventory, or if you do a headshot or something, you can zoom in like that. So if I go to the end of this clip, yeah. So at the end of this clip, my brother was playing Fortnite, and he got this really cool snipe on this guy. So what we're going to do is you're going to click square, and we're going to go to split clip, and confirm, and then you can delete the rest. So now we're going to delete this one also. Now what we can do edit overlay. So you can do stickers. What I found out is if you scroll all the way down to stickers, you can do like, subscribe, follow. You can do these things for like if you have face cam and stuff like that. You can also do imported images and camera effects. And then so let's just do, and you can do text, and then we can just say something like hi, and the different options, you can see the duration of it. So if we want to change the color, you can do that by just going down. You can use the pad, or not the pad, the arrow keys. And then you can edit the text, you can edit the duration, you can transform it. Transforming, you use the right joystick, that shows you where you want to move it. you can layer order. So if you have multiple text, you can also do an animation. So you can do a beginning, middle, and ending. So you can do like fade in, and then it'll go like, it'll slide in. And then you can circle out of that. And then there's music. So if you want to add music, you just click the X button. Well, first you go to music, and you click that, and you go to the X button, and then you can have a whole bunch of different music. This is all of the music that it comes with. I'm not sure if it's copyrighted because sometimes you get claimed, but it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be not copyrighted, but sometimes YouTube does claim your video. But you don't get a copyright strike, but it like makes you not be able to have ads, so just keep that in mind. You can import music to this, and then if you want to edit the clip volume, so if you want to make it louder or quieter, normally with music you want it to be at least under 50% because the music is pretty loud. You can also click apply to all. And then if you want to edit a transition, so let's just play this clip. So that's my brother editing. So if we want to fast forward this, so we'll just do split clip, firm, and then go to the end like this, and do split clip, and then we can make it faster. So 2 times speed, smooth, and now you can see that that made it go faster. So and then when he gets ready to do the shot, I found him and boom, headshot. So then if you want to make that a screenshot with the Victory Royale, you just click the options button and you do generate thumbnail like that. And then some other things, there is edit track 2. So if you want to do talking over it, you want to do, so you do add track 2 by clicking the X button, and then that will come up with this, and you just click this X button and it will record. So let me just do that, 5, 4, and then do that, or you can just click the record button. And now, hi YouTube, now it'll just do that, and you make sure you go and click the stop button. Go and click the stop. So like that. So you can do whatever you want. Then you can delete, clip volume. So I'm just going to delete it because I don't need that there. And then you click X out of that. And then once you have that overlay, if you click square, you'll have an option to edit track 2. So we can do a transition. So from, if we didn't want this, instead we could do delete clip. And instead we could go to this section of it, and you can click the X, and you can do add transition. And then you can do all sorts of different ones. So these ones are fun, where you just push out like that, then it does swipe like that. There's a whole bunch of different options that you can do. Now if you want to edit the transition, you can delete it, replace it, and change it. If the transition has a volume, you can change the volume. And so then we can just go like this and split the clip, and then we can do something like thanks for watching. So go to add overlay, and we can do thanks for watching. So I already have it preset, and then what you can do, you can just change the color. So let's change it to blue. And then you want to make sure that you change the saturation to full. And then you can go to change like that. So, yep, if there's anything I left out, then make sure to tell me in the comment section. If I did leave something out and I remember it, I will put it down in the bottom, or in the comment section. And pin it so that you guys can see it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you want to know when my next YouTube video comes out. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.